looks like Mikey's over here working on the EP3. What we got going on over here?
This is our R&D EP3. So we're working on the RSX EP3 EM2 billet hub spindles. We had a few of our customers that wanted to run a factory offset wheel versus only being able to go up to a 30 millimeter offset. So if you wanted to run something with a higher offset, the option is to basically remake the trailing arm, because as you can see here, even with this wheel that we were using with a high offset, it actually rubs into the trailing arm on the actual rim itself. So what we made is basically a hub-centric adapter that is going to fit onto the front face of the RSX hub spindle, and it's going to allow you to get the proper clearance that you need if you wanted to run like a factory offset wheel. The reason that we designed them the way that we did is so that you're actually able to use basically a wider wheel combination. So we pushed it back a little bit so that you're able to run a wider wheel, because most of the people that are using these for the all-wheel drive applications, they want to run, you know, drag slicks or larger drag radials in the rear as well as the front. When you receive these, this portion of it would already be done. Basically all you're going to do is bolt up the 3 bolts, one here, one here, one here, for the whole hub spindle. The hub will already be bolted in and ready to go. But if you do use the adapter that pushes it out, it does bring this back bracket where the e-brake cable bolts up to very close to the back of it. We're going to shave this down just a little bit here so that when we bolt this up, it clears and it's not touching the hub spindle there. This will bolt up like so, and we're also going to just shave down just a little bit in the back here of the e-brake cable bracket so that that clears behind the back portion there.
See how it's clear, like in between there, see how there's a gap?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do from here is put the wheel back on, and then we'll show you the clearance that we're talking about as far as the difference. Like I mentioned, the wheel previously was touching on the trailing arm.
Yeah, you can see some of the marks.
Yeah, so you can see the marks it made on there from where it was rubbing. This wheel that we were trying on was a 15x6 with a plus 38 offset. So our hub spindles are good for up to a positive 30 offset. So this one obviously was over. So we wanted to put the wheel on, see if it would roll, see what it, you know, what kind of damage it did, and then address it from there.
The e-brake down?
Yep, e-brake down. So as you can see, everything spins freely. And if you look through the back here, you can see the mark on the trailing arm where it was rubbing. I've got, you know, at least almost 2 fingers width in between there now. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in the RSX EP3 EM2 hub spindle or any of the other products that we offer, check us out at s1built.com.